Hello guys, so on the previous video we looked at what data validation is, and this video is a continuation of that particular video. Last video we checked how we gave an example of how we use data validation to enable that we can only put whole number between 0 and 10 in a particular cell. This is a continuation of the video and we are going to be carrying out further examples. In this particular example, we are going to be inputting a list. Now, the list takes in source. It doesn't have maybe between or something. Let's say you want to choose between. You want to choose say a kind of mobile phone. So you want to give your users some set of mobile phones to choose from. You don't want them to choose something outside the particular list. Now let's start with say an iPhone, then a Samsung, then give them a Huawei, then we can probably look at say a Technophone. These four mobile phones, you want to restrict the input of this particular cell to these. Click on OK. Now one thing you notice is this drop down that automatically comes and pops into this box. If you click on it, it will give you all the list of the things that can possibly. What you can do with the drop down is to, once you click on it, once you click on it, what you can do with the drop down is that you can see all the list of possible values in this particular cell. Now if I click on Samsung, it automatically appears. I can also type it in if I want. So let's say I want iPhone. So okay, you can see that I misspelled the iPhone, and you can see that it gives me error if I enter anything other than the specified lists. So if I have an iPhone, it goes straight in there. Now you can also create your list if you have the list of values in some specified cells. So let's say I have a list of things that I want to get now. I have car, I have a house, then I have a phone, and I have a laptop. So I have a monitor. Now I want to restrict the values that I can put into this cell to just these values alone. What can I do? I can just come to my data validation one more time, come to the list. Now for the source, instead of typing in these things, I've already written out these items in different cells. All I'll just do is click on this button, select these cells, the enter button, and click on OK. Now you can see the drop down one more time. So now if I enter house, it goes through. Now this time around I enter iPhone, you can see that it gives me an error. So I believe you better understand how Excel undoes validation better now. If I also click on the drop down, you can see the list of options that it gives me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.